Okay, I just wanted to do a couple DeltaMath examples with you because, I mean, the way that I did my notes versus the way that your homework is actually going to be is just a skosh different. So the first thing is going to ask you to graph parallel and perpendicular lines. Make sure you read the directions because it's going to change on you each time whether it wants a parallel or a perpendicular line. This time it does say perpendicular line. Determine the slope of the given line and the one you graph in simplest form. Click and drag on the graph to draw a line. So first what I'm going to do is look at the original one and try and find, sorry, iPad's kind of doing funky things here. There we go. It looks like I have a point at -7 and a point here at -4. So to me that slope would be up 3 over 2. So my original slope, I'm going to write that 3. I'm going to hit the division key for 2 so that it will go ahead and give me that nice fraction there. So then what you do, click and drag to plot a perpendicular line. Click on a point, anywhere you want, and kind of drag, oops, here we go. Drag your hand around. This is unsuccessful on an iPad. Here we go. And kind of just drag it around. Eventually, you hit the right points here. It's going to tell you that, oh, hey, you finally have a perpendicular line by turning green. And then from there, from those 2 points that I have there, I'm going to figure out what's that slope. And it does look like it goes down 2 and then to the right 3. So my slope would be -2 divided by 3. Oops, that 2 shouldn't be there. Oh, because I was on the wrong thing. Okay, let's try that again. -2 divided by 3. Okay, which perpendicular, they should be opposite reciprocals. Beautiful, just like that. Okay. The other piece of your homework that I wanted to hit is going to talk about if you have straight vertical or horizontal lines. If you have x equals a number, again, that is going to be a straight vertical line, whereas y equals a number is going to be straight horizontal. If it has both variables, it has a slant. So I know that this x equals 1/5 y, no. X equals y, no, because those have a slant. Okay, so where it says parallel, that means I'm going to need it to be the same vertical direction. So that means the answer should be x equals -8. And last but not least, this is the last part where it's more what you're expecting. What is the equation of a line that passes through? It gives you a point, tells you if it's parallel or perpendicular, and then it tells you your equation. Sometimes it's going to give it to you in y equals mx plus b form. That's pretty cool. Other times you're going to have to rewrite it first.